Lots of plants to separate out. We have around 403 plus plants that are being separated and should be ready to go into the garden here within the next week. There's just a few plants on the counter. The town is having a community crawfish boil, so we got tickets and decided to have the kids try some crawfish.
Yes, thank you, madam.
See how they like it.
You know, I wish these were cut a little smaller. You gonna eat some crawfish today?
There you go.
No?
They're gonna try them.
They're gonna try them? Have y'all ever eaten crawfish? No? May I have your wrist? Thank you. I don't bite, I promise. Are you freezing?
It's not gonna hurt. Right, so now.
Are you gonna eat it, Jalen?
Yeah. For now, just show that.
My favorite part was actually breaking the crawfish apart and getting the claw meat. I'm not sure why I liked it so much, but it was kind of cool.
They might bite.
They're not gonna bite.
They're dead. No, no, no.
What do you got?
A lobster.
It's not a lobster, it's a crawfish.
It only has one claw. Hi.
Well, the first batch ended up being extremely spicy. It was burning mine and the children's lips. So we kind of snacked on some other things. We got some chips and candy and lots of water. But it was delicious. After 7 trays of crawfish, we're headed out. She's chasing a chicken around. We have some friends moving out yonder, and we decided we were going to come help them get their moving done and look at their beautiful scenery. It definitely shows spring is here. They're also giving us a cherry tree sapling. We just moved almost all of our plants from inside to out here. And the greenhouse is almost full. We decided to do a little bit more morel hunting, and we found some, as well as a almost hidden frog. And now it's time to try morels for my second time and fry them. You took the whole mushroom out.